My name is Phoenix Gray, and I'm a Home by Me ambassador for the US market. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the basics of how to speak design fluently. As someone who's been designing homes for almost 15 years, you can trust I know what I'm talking about. These are the 10 interior design styles that every designer, homeowner, and design lover should know about in the US market right now. These aren't just trends, these are timeless foundations. They shape everything from Pinterest boards to luxury showrooms, and understanding their core principles helps you create spaces that feel intentional. Whether you're just starting out or refining your signature look, mastering these styles gives you the vocabulary to design with confidence and the freedom to break the rules when it matters. Let's dive right into it and break them down one by one. Don't forget to subscribe because you're going to learn so much more than just what I have to say today. We're gonna start with modern design. It is clean, sleek, and unfussy. It focuses on form and function with neutral palettes and smooth finishes. I want you to think about open spaces, sharp angles, and a less is more mindset. The key attributes with modern design are clean lines, neutral tones, a very open and simple layout, as well as functional furniture. But why is it timeless? Its simplicity and adaptability make it feel fresh decade after decade. This is your Design Daddy signing off, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on everything happening in the US interior design market.